And we have some breaking inputs coming in. Political earthquake in 6 months, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is the latest prediction by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Big prediction in his final rally. First he said 400 par. Now he says in Punjab that there'll be a hat trick. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi making a bold statement. Listen in.
4 जून के बाद जो 6 महीने हैं उसमें देश विकास की एक नई रफ्तार पकड़ेगा। लेकिन इसके अलावा 6 महीने राजनीति में भी नया तूफान लाने वाले हैं। देश में जितनी भी परिवारवादी पार्टियां हैं उनके कार्यकर्ताओं में निराशा चरम पर है। बार बार फेल होने वाले परिवारवादी नेताओं से उनके ही लोग सवाल पूछ रहे हैं। इसलिए अगले 6 महीने में हम परिवारवादी पार्टियों में एक नया बिखराव देंगे। देखेंगे बिखर जाएगी। साथियों, देश को तोड़ने का सपना देख रही पार्टियों को उनके कार्यकर्ता ही तोड़ देंगे। साथियों, उड़ीसा की राजनीति में भी नया भूचाल देखने को मिलने वाला है। पूर्ण बहुमत वाली केंद्र सरकार हैट्रिक लगाने जा रही है और इस दमदार सरकार जो भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनाए, दमदार सरकार जो भारत को समृद्ध बनाए, इसलिए पंजाब भी इस बार जोर शोर से कह रहा है, फिर एक बार।
Mohit Bhatt is joining us on the broadcast with more. First, the Prime Minister and others said 400 par for NDA. Now the Prime Minister says hat trick.
Well, yes, Swati, and Prime Minister has been saying this, that he's confident of getting a third term, and that is perhaps why we were just hearing Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he was speaking about that after 4th of June, in next 6 months, various big major decisions will be taken, and after 4th of June, the opposition parties, the dynastic parties, according to the Prime Minister, will fall apart because their leaders themselves are questioning the leadership of their party. So clearly, we have seen that how BJP and the Prime Minister, they have been very confident throughout these election campaign that they are getting the mandate, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be the Prime Minister for the third term. While on the other hand, we have seen that how many of the opposition leaders, the Indie bloc leaders, they have come out and they have stated that the BJP is not getting more than 200 seats, and it's the India Alliance that will be forming the government. But these are all the claims, Swati. Now, in few hours from now, the campaigning for the last phase of the elections will end, and on 1st of June, the 7th phase voting will take place. Around 57 seats will go for polling, and on 4th of June, the results of this biggest festival of our democracy will be out. So we'll get to know that who exactly will win. But till 4th of June, we'll see many of the leaders coming out, making various claims, and we have seen reactions coming on from the opposition parties. They have in fact said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to Kanyakumari because he needs to live a retired life. It's a retirement plan. So clearly we see in run up to the elections, we have seen personal attacks. We have seen that how various issues were being raised. We have seen that reservation was a major point of conflict between the opposition parties and the BJP. So we see that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also spoken about that.
On one hand, the NDA projection is 400 par. The Prime Minister now says hat-trick. On the other hand, as far as the INDI bloc is concerned, it looks like that his bonhomie is very, very close to perhaps ending, one would say, given the recent developments and the statements coming.